name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to my channel, the AI Creator. What's this channel about? This channel is about using AI, artificial intelligence, to create unique videos for businesses, not just big businesses. We're talking startup, large scale, private businesses, or even social media accounts. If this is something you're interested in, I would advise you subscribe now. Make sure you subscribe now, because I'm going to be showing you how to use tools like Pictory AI, Murf AI, ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, and so much more to create videos for your business. It could be ads, maybe you're advertising a product, or it could be passing information to your customers, or you want to increase your reach using videos. Instead of paying voiceover artists, or instead of paying video editors, or instead of paying a videographer to help you out with this video, which would cost you in the range of $500 to $1,000, depending on how long or how professional you want the videos to be. But with AI, you can actually do this, but there is a caveat. You have to learn how to use this AI software, and that's where my channel, the AI Creator, comes in. I'm going to be showing you how to create all these using AI. It's not going to be complicated, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you are sticking and watching every bit of my video, and we're just going to go right onto it and start creating. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Don't miss out on any video I upload. Stay blessed, and let's get straight right to the next video, or any video you want. Love you. Bye.